Ext. Industrial complex. Night. A vast, metallic landscape stretches under a canopy of glowing lines and angular architecture. The faint hum of electricity vibrates through the air. In the center of this engineered world, motionless, yet alive, stands the car, a metallic olive-green beast sculpted by speed itself. Camera drifts slowly from afar, a far view shot. The car gleams under shafts of golden light, its reflective surface slicing through the darkness like a blade. The concrete beneath it shimmers, reflecting the symphony of light and metal. Every contour speaks precision, every reflection hints at power restrained. Narrator VO. In a world built on rhythm and steel, one machine dares to define silence, motion, and mastery, all at once. The camera widens, the geometry of the surroundings frames the car as if it were a jewel displayed by the future itself. Cut to the car's lights flickering on, Y-shaped LEDs awaken like eyes opening from a dream. Back view, close up, the camera glides behind, tracing the curvature of the car's sculpted rear. Red LED taillights burn through the shadows, forming a signature, the brand of dominance. The bronze alloy wheels spin slightly, their glow echoing the industrial gold light. Narrator VO. Every edge is an intention. Every line, a whisper of velocity waiting to be unleashed. Soft mist curls around the diffuser as the engine ignites with a low, resonant growl, not noise, but presence. The reflections of the glowing walls ripple across the back surface like liquid light. The camera tilts upward, revealing the illuminated arches of the futuristic structure, as though the world itself bends to the machine's form. Side view, slow pan. The car moves gently forward, gliding more than rolling. From this angle, its side profile reveals artistry, a fusion of muscle and elegance. The metallic olive paint catches the industrial glow, shifting hues between bronze, green, and graphite depending on the light. Narrator VO. Design is not what you see. It's what you feel when motion speaks without words. Every inch, from the sharp mirrors to the aerodynamic grooves, looks born from the wind itself. The tires grip the floor like claws of a predator ready to run. The car halts in a perfect line beneath a glowing corridor of light. A figure approaches, just a silhouette reflected in the car's mirror finish. The reflection merges human and machine for a fleeting moment. Interior, POV shot. The door opens with a hushed whisper. The inside glows softly, illuminated by ambient gold and blue light tracing along carbon fiber panels. The cockpit feels alive, screens pulse with data, gauges breathe in rhythm, and a digital heart beats at the center console. The steering wheel, sculpted and minimal, bears symbols of control. Leather and aluminum merge, warm and cold, tradition and future. Narrator VO. Inside lies a universe, where craftsmanship meets code, and control becomes instinct. The driver's hands slide across the surface of the controls. The dashboard lights respond instantly, as though understanding thought before touch. The cabin hums, not from an engine, but from energy itself. The driver exhales. The silence is absolute. Then, with a subtle twist, the car awakens, quiet, confident, unstoppable. Ext. Industrial road, continuous. The car glides out of the metallic chamber into an open runway of glowing white lines. The city beyond flickers with light and shadow, distant, alive, mechanical. Camera, far wide shot. The car accelerates, its motion blurring the reflections on the concrete. The LED lines streak like comet trails. From a distance, it's a phantom of light carving through the night. Narrator VO. This is not a vehicle, it's a voice, speaking in the language of velocity. The camera circles from above as the car takes a sweeping curve, the olive-green body shimmering with each turn of the light. Sparks of reflection dance off the metallic walls. The sound deepens, a harmony of power and silence. Close up, driver's eyes. Reflections of neon streaks race across the glass. Focused, determined, connected. Narrator VO. Because speed isn't measured in miles, it's measured in moments, the pulse between motion and stillness. The car rockets through a tunnel of light, gold, silver, and green swirling together in a luminous blur. As it emerges, the city opens before it like a dream made of circuitry and starlight. Ext. City overlook, night. The car comes to a silent stop atop an elevated platform. Its reflection merges with the glowing skyline below. The engine hums down to a whisper. The lights dim, but the presence remains. Narrator VO. The future isn't coming, it's already here, and it moves with purpose. Camera slowly rises, framing the car against the glowing geometric skyline, a symbol of innovation and beauty intertwined. Fade out. Text on screen. The pulse of velocity, where art meets motion.